Hello guys, so guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a fashion croquis, but I'm going to be taking it one after the other. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the head and also the shoulder. So yeah, let's start with the head. What you need for this tutorial is your ruler and your pencil and eraser. So the first thing you need to do is to draw a straight line. Look at it. I measured 2 centimeter, so I'm using 2 centimeter. Then from the 2 centimeter I'm going to measure 0.7 on both sides. 0.7 on both sides of the straight line, like the 4 edges of the straight line. I'm going to measure 0.7, so it's going to make it like a square shape, like so. Square, did I just say square? Rectangle shape. Yeah, so I marked ½ inch upward. That would serve as the neck, and then 0.7 and also 0.7, so that is 0.7 on all 4 edges of the straight line. Then you rule out, then you merge the points together. So after that, so you're going to draw an horizontal line of how many inches? 3 inches, making sure that 1.5 inches is at the middle of that straight line. Yep. So after that, you're going to draw a circle, small circles on both edges of the horizontal lines. And then for the head, you have to like divide the 1.5 centimeter into 2. That is going to give us what? 0.75 centimeter. So you divide it into 2 on both sides. Then after dividing it on both sides, you have to go up. How am I going to put it? You have to divide it into quarter again. So 0.75 divided by 2, that will give us 0.36. Yeah, 0.36 or 0.37 also. Yep. So you divide it into 2. You divide 0.75 into 2. So that will be the quarter of 1.5 centimeter that we measured earlier. So you're going to divide it like so. Yeah, you divide the 0.75 into 2 and mark it out like that. Then after that, you're going to connect the upper part like so by drawing an arc, making sure that the arc goes above the line, goes above the square. It goes out of the box, yeah, on both the top and the bottom. Look at the way I drew the bottom. The top is like an arc, while the bottom is like a V shape. Not really V shape like that, but then a V shape. Then you go to the neck, you draw a V shape at the neck side. Then you just make a C shape, like a curved shape, like so, to join the shoulder with the neck. To join the neck with the shoulder, then you go and trace out the edge of the circle like so. Then after that, you're going to rub off all other lines that are not necessary. Irrelevant lines, you're going to rub them off and then trace out the relevant ones like so. So I'm rubbing off the irrelevant lines away and the irrelevant shapes. I mean the square and the 2 circles I drew at the sides of the horizontal line. And then I'm going to trace out my main image like so. Yeah, look at me tracing it out. Be careful. Yeah, so one thing is that you don't need to make the square and the circles visible. I'm just trying to make it visible so that you guys will understand what I'm trying to do. So yep, I'm drawing it that way. Then after that, you come out of the line like so on the two sides, so it's going to represent your collarbone like so. Then after that, you're going to divide the head into what? Into three. Look at me measuring the head. You're going to divide it into three. Go to 0.5, you measure it, then you come up again by what? You come up by what? Half inch, like so. Like so, you draw it out. Then those places is where you put your hair. So you're going to attach your hair in between the lines like so. So yeah, you're done with your head and your shoulder and your neck. Yeah, look at that, guys. Does it look like a tricky head? Bye guys.